Here we are, May 9th, 2019, and I am working on my solar lights again. I found a whole bunch of stuff at the thrift store, so let's continue with the slideshow and see what I come up with to add to my garden. And it's seasonably warm right now, it's 70 degrees, so I'll stay warm and dry in my garage. Listen to my Game of Thrones music. The trees are growing too. They did not die over the winter. I'm very happy with that. See my videos from last year how I created this backyard landscape decor. I did this all myself. A little help from Miss Legacy. Alright, let's continue with the slideshow. Keeping my puppy back, or I shouldn't say she's a puppy anymore, but keeping her away from the spray. No. Sit. You have to stay away from the spray paint. Sit. Here I am. On Friday, May 10th, I just added glue and added the Dollar Tree solar lights. Remember, when you add glue, make sure you dip the solar light so that it is coated very well, and then let it sit for 24 hours before you place it outside. Now let's turn off the light, and I'll show you what it looked like with the light off. Isn't that pretty? It's going to go out in my fairy garden. So you turn into a $1 thrift find, add a $1 solar light, and there you go. You could place this outside. Use craft 3-in-1, use fabri tack, or use waterproof silicone to attach. E6000 will eat through this thin plastic solar light of Dollar Trees. I do not use E6000. Thanks for stopping in, and I am doing the gold sconce next, and we'll see you then. Pretty.